everyone, this is Riviksha of grade 9 from Litera School, Neyyoor, Tamil Nadu. I am here to present my project, the Smart Pothole Detection and Automated Filling System. My project is completely aimed in transforming our Indian roads into smarter, safer and stronger infrastructure. Nowadays, there are thousands of accidents occurring in India, particularly due to potholes. These potholes become even more dangerous during night time, where their visibilities are low. And there are also many other reasons why these issues persist, like delayed detection, difficulty in monitoring rural and remote areas, shortage of labours, delaying in time, etc. And traditional repair methods are slow, costly and even unsafe. That's why I designed my project, which can detect the potholes automatically by using this ultrasonic sensor, and also this uses real-time alerting by using buzzer, LED and also mobile notifications. This uses two servo motors, one for dispensing the filler material into the pothole and other is for flattening the surface for a smoother finish. The filler material used in my project is eco-friendly, so that there is no harm for any organisms. And the filler material used in this project contains elements which are capable of drying quickly, so that there is no further damage in potholes. And the impact of my project is powerful. Lives are saved, money is preserved, and time is gained. And this is not just a science project which can fill the gap between potholes. This is a project which can fill the gap between developing India and developed India. And I am sure that my project would set the benchmark in which other countries would admire India's growth and greatness. Thank you.